Croatia is a country enriched with a wide collection of plants. The Croatian flora consists of about 5,500 different plants, which is a lot considering the area of country. Croats have been using it for more than 16,000 years, as historical sources reveal. It is widely used in cooking and medicine. Some of the most famous Croatian plants used in cooking are basil, bay leaf, rosemary, oregano, thyme, and many more. Basil is a plant with a sweet and pleasant smell. It is used in a wide range of dishes such as soups, sauces, and various pastas. Rosemary has been a prized spice and natural remedy for over 1,000 years. It is great for soups, meat, and fish. As I mentioned earlier, Croatia is also known for its lush collection of medicinal herbs. The most famous medicinal herbs in Croatia are nettle, chamomile, lavender, elderberry, thyme, etc. Nettle is used to cleanse and improve the blood. Nettle leaves contain hair that release formic acid and it should be handled carefully. Chamomile is used against cramps, various inflammations and allergies. It is also used to make a delicious tea that is quite famous.